Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the May 2017 Lola Beauty Box. I do know what is in here. I had to do a little investigating. So, let me catch you up to speed if you don't know. There were a subscription box that there was a limited edition box, and there was a palette in there that I don't know if it was expired or if it was a fake makeup product. I'm not sure. I didn't get the box myself, but that is what is going around. So one of the same products, or the brand, not the exact product, is in this box right here. So if there are any questions whether or not do subscription boxes get expired makeup from wholesales, or do they get fake products, I have some answers. I did contact the brand myself, so I hope that helps. I also did some more investigating with things in this box. So without further ado, let me start. But before I begin, please like this video if you like unboxing, subscribe if you haven't already. I plan on having another giveaway coming very, very shortly. And what else? Comment. Let me get to know you. Comment below so we can start our conversation. All right, so I have my little list here that I wrote everything down. So let's just begin. This is a $21 month subscription, same as BoxyCharm. Now, I did unsubscribe from this, but then I subscribed again when I found out what was going to be in this box. So we will go from there. It always comes with a card. The theme for this month is Bloom, Lola Bloom. That's really pretty. And then on the back, it does tell you what everything is and gives you prices. Now I look blue. How do I look? My lighting has been so bad. Okay, I don't know if I'm back or not. I have to have it focus something. And then you see how my color comes back? Maybe it's just me. Let me know down below if you see my color changing. All right, so the only thing I hate when they have cards, because my scene isn't that good, it's hard for me. Everything looks blurry when they do different, I don't know, it's hard to explain. All right, anyway, I'm getting off topic. I'm going to show you the first thing. This is the thing in question, was this Tarte palette. Now, there were two variations this month. See, again, I'm starting to look blue. Let's see if we can fix it. I don't know. This is a hot mess. There were two variations. You could have either got the Golden Daydreams or you could have got the Night Eye and Cheek palette. I got the Golden Daydreams palette, which I'm glad because this is the one that I wanted. And let me show you what it looks like. So that's what the package looks like. It's like cardboard. It's okay. I don't mind it. Does not come with a mirror. And then you have the eyeshadows, and then you have a little cheek thing. So this is saying that, I do know it because I looked at this, $18. So this was what was in question, because there was a Tarte palette in Try Beauty box, and so I don't know if anything has been answered yet, but I know a lot of people had questions about this. So I figured I'm going to call Tarte myself. I will also leave the number down below of the number that I called the customer service if you guys want to call to see for yourself. But I will tell you that they asked me what this number was, and the number you had to look would be right here. This number here. This is the number that they wanted, the SP number. Now, if you got the other palette, it would be a different number. And so when they looked at it, they told me that this was made in 2017. I'm not sure if they said May or not. And that they did, Lola Box did buy this from them. So we can't always believe everything that we hear. If you want to know anything, you have to call them. If you get a hold of this subscription, like Lola's subscription, they may not get back to you right away. So if you ever want to know anything, call the brand directly and they will tell you. They will tell you. So they did tell me, like I said, Lola did buy this from them. This came out in 2017. I also asked them when can you tell if something is expired? Like, how do you know? So they told me on here that you look at this little thing right here, and it does say 12 months. But if this was purchased in, let's say this was made in 2017 or 2016, it does not start until you actually open it. So I opened it today, so it will start from 12 months from today when it will expire. But you all know if you have eyeshadow palettes, it usually goes beyond then. They did tell me a way to tell that if you do open it, if the colors are dry when you swatch them, or they looked like funny colors, or if they smell funny. and this smells perfectly fine. Then if you have any 3 of them signs, then the palette is no good, but this is good. So I am excited for that. So I can say, at least with this box, I don't know about any others, that Tarte did sell them this product. Okay, and I'm going to show you again. This is really, really pretty, and I love, love, love Tarte shadows. So let's swatch a couple. So buttery. I'm just going to swatch a couple. That's what it looks like. These are very light, but with any Tarte, I like the way that they are blendable. Let's see. Let me wipe my hand. Let's see about the blush color. That's really pretty. And there is the blush color. So I really like it. I just like Tarte shadows. But let's move on. So I looked everything else up that was in the box. So the next thing we have is Juice Beauty. This is a cream shadow. The stick, this is $22. I did look on the Bite Beauty website and it is $22. One more thing about this palette, it's saying $18, but this is a limited edition palette that they are selling it for $14, but it's out of stock. So that's kind of good that we got a palette that's limited edition that's out of stock. Okay, but this is reading $22 on their website, and I know there was variations with the different colors with this one. And this is in the color 10 Cove. So that's what it looks like. I do like Juice Beauty products. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You guys can see. Let me swatch this. This is a pretty color, and that's what it looks like right there. This is good for cream shadows. I like as a base. Like, you know how some people use concealer or something like this? This would be great for that. If you have like your veins showing or any kind of pigmentation, you can use that. So I'm going to definitely use this. I'm not too fond with cream shadows, but something with this color I don't mind. Okay, the next thing in here we have Lauren B Beauty Nourishing Hand Cream. And this is a $24. Again, I went on their website and they are still selling this, and it is $24. So, let's have a safety seal. There is a safety seal. Let's see if I can take this off. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how this lotion is. Oh, it pours out very quickly. Smells like a lotion. Doesn't have that much of a scent, but can smell something, but it does smell good. And I live in Jersey, and it has been raining for a whole week, and so my skin always gets so dry. So this is good. I do like this. I don't know about $24 if I had to pay for it myself. I don't know, but it's lotion. Okay, what's next? The next thing is from Stix Cosmetics, and this would be $14, and Stix is with a K and Cosmetics is with a K. I did look on here. The only thing on Stix Cosmetics website, they only have these lipsticks. That's all that they have. And this is in a shade Tangerine. Now, the thing that I have on here gave you 3 different shades, which you could have got the mauve color, the code red, or the fuchsia. And when I looked on the website as well, they did not have tangerine either. And you see that does say tangerine. So I don't know about that. And this is, I've never seen packaging like this before. It is, see, you can see where it says Stix Cosmetics. I think this is so neat. And you just like open it up like this. And you can turn it like this. So pretty. So let me swatch that. This is like a pretty summery color. You can see that. So I do like that. Okay. Oh, let me see. What happened? Kind of hit the thing. But that's pretty. You could stick that right in your pocketbook without worrying about the lid coming off. So I like that. And last but not least, we got this brush from Crown. And this is $9. And when I went on the website, they are still selling this brush. I know in some subscription boxes, which one was it? I believe the Yes So Yes. I tried to look it up and they didn't even sell it on the website. So I'm happy that they are still selling this, and it is $9 on the website. So this is nice. These dual end fiber brushes I love for like cream products. So if I'm contouring or anything like that, these are really, really nice. I do like it. I'm not too, like, my favorite isn't the double ending because how you have to stick it. So I always have to stick stuff like this either in a drawer or like stick it on top of my brushes. So that is everything in this box. Like I said, this is a $21 month subscription. Everything on the card, if you add it up, would be an $87 value. But I took $4 off because on Tarte website, this is selling for $14. So it came to $83. So the value is there. It's only $21. You do get $83 worth of value. The question is, I mean, everything in here is legit. This is just the question. Is this worth $21? I mean, we still have to look at BoxyCharm, but then again, we can't compare BoxyCharm because they've been up and running for almost 4 years. Lola is still pretty new. So I don't know. Just the fact that they're starting to get Tarte and it's through the company, I mean, it looks like they're getting better. I know there were a few boxes that weren't so good. That's why I did unsubscribe, but I like what was going to be in this box. I'm excited to see what's going to be in next box. So let me know down in the comments below, what do you think of this box? And do you think it's worth $21? Do you get it? Let me know. And guys, until my next video, bye.